We went on a road trip.
The next day.
I would have just taken a photo. Good morning from Niagara. There's a sizable waterfall behind us. A lot of water going over it. Today is the 2nd of January and we are continuing on with the waterfall theme where we finished off last night at Niagara. These are American Falls. Niagara Falls are down the other side, so we shall continue on taking snips and snaps, videos and clips of us walking around until we get to the other end. And there might even be some drone shots. Over the bridge. Pulls off the footpath.
Put a whole bunch of ice here because so they want to make it look like it is actually
The wind. Oh. Let's go. That stuff is over there, and out there. Thanks, very good.
stuff over here.
Stuff over here. The Canadian made of this down there.
5 minutes later.
We can't see Canada yet, but
We can see parts of Canada.
we can see buildings.
And we should be in Canada.
We're in Canada now. Are we?
Right down underneath this sign.
RV stay left. Woo!
Canada!
We're in Canada.
1 minute later.
Hello, Canada. Canada. Let's go there. This is bridge stuff in Canada, and
See the falls?
we can see the falls from here. Well, that was a neat view from here.
Yeah.
We'll drive down and get another view down the other end.
Yeah.
But before we do that, Elsie needs coffee. Clifton Hill, the street of fun by the falls. Nice. Classic. We have our hot chocolates and we're heading that way. Rainbow Gardens, established 1944. Niagara Parks Commission.
Moments later.
Yeah, this is our very, very brief visit to Canada. It is neat seeing the falls from this side.
5 minutes later.
Wow, there's a lot of people trying to get into the States, even from the north. Yeah. Speed limit 15. Whoa, better slow down.
Whoa. Whoa.
Slowing down. I know, this is
Whoa.
outrageous.
15 miles per hour.
Stop
Stop
speeding.
speeding.
I'm sorry, I'll stop. You know what? I'm just gonna have a nut.
You're a nut.
A few inches later.
That's Canada and America. Right, over we go. Back into the car.
You didn't even miss anything.
2 hours later.
Okay, we made it through. That's the border over there.
Oh, how?
And Kelsey's putting in the next destination.
Yeah.
And we will be heading off there in a minute. Welcome to New York, the Empire State. Straight ahead. That way there. Hey!
We're gonna go up?
Go there. Go up.
Maybe? Maybe.
I'm gonna go around there.
Oh, I don't know. We could do the whole bit, but it's a bit long.
Oh, there's a white post there. Oh, crikey, there's Kelsey there.
I'm not a white post. Why are you so slow?
So we're here to see some bluffs.
Yeah.
And they are about 2.08 kilometers that way. So we are here. That is Lake Ontario. Lake Ontario is there. That's out there. Kelsey, is this the first Great Lake you've been to?
I believe so.
Cool. This is Kelsey's first Great Lake.
Looks very much like the ocean.
Oh yes, you are correct. Hey, bloofs. That was a neat little wee couple of K loop around the bluffs. There you are. You're hiding.
I'm here.
From here we are going to Syracuse.
Yeah.
Right. To Syracuse we go.
Many minutes later.
Nothing's open here.
Really messed up. So this is the Erie Lock Canals in Syracuse. Oh, that's an old lock. This is quite cool. This is the old Erie Canal location.
You're here.
Yeah.
Look at it.
The canals in Erie were huge. The size of the boat, quite sizable, and we have an old lock here. Definitely bigger than what the Palms had. We got here way too late because we got stuck on the bridge on Niagara.
Everything's closed.
Yeah, everything is closed. We're gonna continue towards New York.
Yeah, Mohawk Mountain House is the...
So we're going to a house in the mountains tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're going to head on down there and grab some dinner along the way.
1 hour later.
we have made it to Arby's.
Oh yeah.
See how greasy this feed is. And we can tick Arby's off the list of feeds we've tried. Let's go. Arby's time. Burgers.
Arby's.
Some bacon in there.
Is that bacon?
Hey, this. Oh, nice. So many burgers. Nice. Arby's. Arby's. Not too bad. Big fan of Arby's. Cool.
I'll go for that again.
Later that night.
We are in the town of New Paltz. It's in New York. It's a groovy little wee town, and we'll be staying here for the night. The sounds of that music coming on in. About to go into a fun fact. Here's a fun fact.
Where I'm standing right now is New Paltz. New Paltz is a town in New York State. It was founded in 1677 by some Frenchmen. They went into a contract with some local Indians to buy some 39,000 acres of irregularly shaped land. Some 346 years later, the town has grown to roughly 7,500 people. Google, which is known to be 100% accurate, says this is one of the best places to live in New York State. A film or two has been made around this area, from the likes of A Quiet Place and The Road to Melville. Some locals say The Shining was inspired by the Mohonk Mountain House, which is just up the hill from here. The more you know.
Right, that is us from New Paltz for the evening. We will see you in New Paltz in the morning.